Items are how Zora keeps track of the equipment on board. Here's how to add a battery, from naming it to placing it on the vessel. Open the Systems group, then tap Items. Items are organized by category. Tap Electric, then Batteries. You'll see every battery already on your boat, laid out as cards. Tap the plus button at the end of the grid to add a new one. A new card appears, and the Edit form opens on the Label tab. The Label tab carries the basics. Give the battery a name you'll recognize at a glance, House Bank, and set the installation date so Zora can track its age. You'll see an image field here too. For batteries, leave it. Once the data link is set, the dashboard widget takes over the card and the image is never seen. Tap Update at the bottom to save. The other tabs stay locked until you do. From here on, every tab works the same way. Make your changes, tap Update at the bottom, then switch. The Info tab is the battery's identity card. Manufacturer, model, reference number, serial number, and a notes field for anything specific to this unit. This is what you'll reach for when you order parts or file a warranty claim. Identification only. Manuals and how-tos live elsewhere. The Data Link tab is where the battery becomes alive. Zora has already discovered every battery's data on your network. Some item types, batteries among them, come with a predefined path prefix, so Zora narrows the list down to the relevant sources. Pick the source that matches this battery. The Interface tab is where you describe the battery to Zora. Set the chemistry, lead acid, lithium iron phosphate, whichever type you have, then the nominal voltage, and the capacity in amp hours. Set the captions that will appear on the dashboard widget. Then the notification levels. This is the table where you set the thresholds that tell Zora when to warn you. Each cell that is not empty will generate a notification. Last, the Location tab. Each deck of your vessel is shown as a map. Drop a marker where the battery is physically installed. Now, when something happens to this battery, you'll know which one and where to find it. Close the card and see the new battery item with its widget that dynamically displays the state, voltage, capacity, and current of the battery. That's how you add a battery. Label, info, data link, and location work the same for every item type. The Interface tab is the one that changes. Different gear, different settings. In the next video, we'll show you how to manage actions, maintenance, tasks, documents, logs, and expenses for the battery.